Hello and welcome back to another certified OG shaping video. This is my M3. You guys saw that this car blew up while we tried to take it to the Autobahn. And now that the engine is rebuilt, the first thing we have to do obviously is to take the car to the Autobahn again. Theoretically, it should hold up way better than before. We now have a Cybex control unit that can basically shut off the car if everything goes wrong. Yeah, we also have a majorly modified engine that's supposed to hold up way more than the original one. So we should be good, hopefully. So the plan for the day, very simple. We drive from here to Munich, we go to the Mile Festival, which is kind of like a car festival. I'm gonna show you around. Supposed to be many cool cars there. And afterwards, we're gonna take my 700 horsepower, 750 horsepower, supercharged M3 E90 to the German Autobahn and see how the car enjoys the freedom of having no speed limit on the highway. Like I said, I don't really know if the steering pump is working or not, but we don't need it. We're just going in a straight line basically, so should be good. It's a few hours later, as you can see. I'm already in Munich. I dropped off Celine at Mile, so she's already at the event because she has to model there. I'm actually very proud of her for that. I am picking up Mani and some of his friends right now, and then we're gonna drive there. And then afterwards, like I already said, we're gonna do some good old-fashioned Autobahn runs with the E90, which I'm very excited for. Can't wait for that. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous still because, like we all know, last time I did an Autobahn run with the E90, it fucking blew up. So I kind of hope that this is not going to happen again today, but I'm pretty positive, honestly. I'm very positive. Oi, Danny. Hey. We're a bit too early. I thought the event starts in the morning. Turns out it starts in the afternoon. So yeah, we have enough time for activities.
Beer drinking.
Let's fucking go. Turbolader.
Schlecht ist nicht. Schlecht ist nicht.
Ah, nee.
Ja, ist nett.
Prost.
Ist jetzt nett.
Yeah, make fun.
Servus.
Yeah, so far mine has been great. All we did was just sit around and do some stuff. Aber schau mal, der hat einen Boost.
Hey, ohne Scheiß, der klingt wie der M3 GTR von Need for Speed Most Wanted.
Hey! Danke, Jungs.
Angenehm. Aber geil. Angenehm. Schau, bei der Tier aus der Softclass. Magst du aber noch nach dem Tier halten und Zirkus oder so?
Das hat 20.000 Euro.
20.000 Euro?
Ja.
Yeah, so we are on the way to find some nice open roads now. Hopefully no traffic, nothing else. I just hope the car doesn't blow up, but should be fine, honestly. Like I already said, engine is stronger than ever. We have more power, but also the engine can hold a bit more. It can withstand a little bit more, so it should be no problem. And I don't want to jinx it though, so. And also we raised the RPM a little bit, so theoretically we should have more room for speed. So we will see. The sewer cup will chill cool first, and then we're gonna see what this car can do now with the 750 horsepower, everything else. Also, I want to show you something funny. Wait. Eager. Ready?
Ready. Oh mein Gott. Ach du Scheiße.
Bro, this car is so, like, stock M3 E90s and E92s are very slow, but if you put a supercharger on top of it, especially this setup, it's so incredibly quick. Let me tell you, that was nearly 300 right now, probably. I have to guess again, once again. We started from like 120. I pulled all the way from 120 to 300 in a couple of seconds. It was
Crazy.
I really love this car. And it feels so nice to drive. It just keeps pushing. It's very linear because it's a supercharger. You have no boost lag. It's just perfect.
Yeah.
And also it sounds amazing. You're gonna hear it in the outside shots later. This car is incredibly sounding. Okay, just at 100. 100.
What?
200.
Oh, Jesus.
Christ. The car revved until like 8,500 now, which is crazy. Just kept on pushing and pushing, and that's what this engine is all about. Just high RPM, and also you can see it here. The oil is not even hot. Water temperature is very, very low. It's perfect now.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love it. Last time we did it, the car exploded. This time it's probably the best car I've driven on the Autobahn so far. It feels amazing. Nothing rattles like in the R34. It's just, I love it. Also the rev limiter. Fucking amazing. Bro, I'm so happy that this car is back, and it mastered, okay, we're not done yet, but it seems to have mastered the one thing that ultimately killed it, which is driving on the Autobahn perfectly now. I'm honestly very, very amazed by how well this car is working. Everything's perfect, the alignment and everything. I'm driving 200 right now, by the way, and it feels like you're driving 120, 130 in a normal car. I love it. I really, really love it. I'm actually really happy that this car is working how it's working right now, because it is a monster, let me tell you. This works just way too fucking good. I don't even want to know how my rims and brakes are looking right now. Bro, these brake pads are so aggressive, they make your rim go black instantly. The moment you touch the brakes, your wheels are black. Bro, that shift down there was insane. It spit a fire flame out the back. I mean, you heard it probably in the video, but I saw it in the mirror as well. The whole rear just lit up. It was such an insane upshift. Well, this car is just so much fun to drive. I am so fucking happy, and I hope you guys can feel how happy I am, and hope you guys can honestly understand it. Bro, this car is basically one of my favorite cars that I own right now, and well, having it back on one of my favorite places, which is the German Autobahn, is just a dream for me. Whoa, I'm literally speechless. Just keeps pushing. There's no point in which the car is slow. It just keeps on going, and I could probably push it even further if I wanted to. I would say the top speed of this car right now, as it is around 340 kilometers per hour, which is fucking insane. I did not hit rev limiter in 6th gear yet, and I was already probably, like I already said, I have to guess the speeds. I was already probably at like 320, 330-ish. I did not look at the speedometer. I'm just focusing on the road as good as possible. This car truly is something else right now. It has nothing in common anymore with the normal stock E90. The supercharger and all of the engine work that we did, that Mani did, all the power, like all the man hours and all the work, all the money that's flown into this car has truly created, this sounds very cliche to say, but it has truly created a fucking monster. And I'm actually so happy that this car turned out the way it is. I can't wait to take it drifting for the first time. This is also gonna be a huge milestone for this car again. I don't know, it just feels like having a new car after all of this drama that we've been through. So I hope you guys can understand me, that I'm so happy as I am right now. Also, why the fuck is this bus driving in the middle of the fucking road? Oh, it's so nice now. Sun is going down. Nobody on the Autobahn except for me. It's just, bro, this is heaven. I tell you guys, this is heaven. Also, the tires have surprisingly a good amount of grip. Those are brand new tires. They have so much fucking grip to them. I don't know why. Probably not what I want for drifting, but whatever. By the way, this is what I have to drive through to pick up Celine from the fucking bridge that she's standing on. I'm probably cutting all the fucking grass right now for M3.
Spielst du?
We're gonna go drive back now. We're gonna pick up some friends from the airport and then head back home. So, a few more last Autobahn runs. This is what dreams are made of, basically. 700 horsepower, supercharged M3. Wide open Autobahn, nobody else out here. Perfect. I love this shit. I really love this shit. But also, I've literally gone through pretty much a full tank of gas right now in those like 30 minutes of us driving, which is insane. I wish I could see the flames in person right now. And also I fucking love the rolling anti-lag. I know it's for nothing. You guys have been roasting me in the first video telling me it's for nothing. I know it's not a turbocharged engine, it has no boost lag, you don't need it, but it sounds fucking amazing, and you can't deny that.
Oh.
And it is cool.
Mach's normal.
But yeah, time to head back home. That was a really great day, that was very enjoyable.